she's flawless in the boardroom. A Harvard MBA who can deliver a presentation so sharp it saves companies millions. Everyone admires her intelligence, her beauty, her confidence. But when it comes to love and relationships, everything seems to fall apart. She wonders why the men she dates pull away. She can't understand why her last 3 relationships ended, when she's obviously perfect. And yet, beneath the surface, there's a hidden force working against her. Today, I'm going to reveal the truth about why some of the most attractive women make the most self-destructive choices in love, and why it's not about intelligence, education, or looks. What I'm about to share will challenge everything you think you know about beauty, power, and relationships. By the end, you'll understand the invisible system that shapes the way men interact with beautiful women, and why it often leaves them disconnected from reality. If you've ever wondered why beauty sometimes feels like both a blessing and a curse, stay with me. And if you care about understanding these hidden dynamics, whether for yourself or someone you know, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. That way you'll never miss the kind of insights that could change the way you see human behavior forever. From the moment beauty enters a woman's life, something else leaves. That something is truth. It doesn't vanish all at once. It fades quietly, replaced by a constant stream of flattery, validation, and half-truths. Men, consciously or unconsciously, begin to tell her what they think she wants to hear, not what she needs to know. And why wouldn't they? For them, honesty risks rejection, but strategic agreement often leads to attention, affection, or even intimacy. Over time, this pattern creates a strange, invisible prison. This isn't about intelligence. It's about environment. When a girl is 13 or 14, her life can change overnight. One day she's another kid at school, the next she's noticed everywhere she goes, by boys her age, by older men, even by strangers. She's still emotionally a child, but she suddenly has adult-level influence over male behavior. No one teaches her what to do with that power, and no one explains the dangers that come with it. From that point on, every interaction with men becomes a negotiation, where telling her the truth is often the losing move. Men quickly realize the equation: honesty costs, validation pays. If they disagree with her, they risk being cut out of her life. If they validate her, they're rewarded with more time, more access, more of her attention. It's not malicious. It's survival. And just like that, she begins living in an information desert. No honest feedback. No reality checks. Only agreement and affirmation, even when she's dead wrong. The danger is that she starts making important life and relationship decisions based on false information. She dates men who aren't right for her. She ends relationships for reasons that have nothing to do with reality. And because she never receives clear feedback, she can't see the patterns forming. Over the years, she builds a worldview that is dangerously disconnected from how relationships actually work. She doesn't know she's steering straight into the same mistakes again and again, because the people around her are too afraid to tell her otherwise. This cycle creates what I call the honesty paradox. The very thing she needs most, honest, unfiltered feedback, is the thing men are least willing to give. So she keeps moving forward with a map that's wrong, believing the road she's taking will lead her to happiness, only to find herself lost every time. And because the people around her keep validating her beliefs, she doesn't question the map, she blames the roads. There are only a few kinds of men who consistently tell her the truth. The first are men who value honesty above personal gain, rare, maybe 2% of all men. The second are men on the autism spectrum, who don't instinctively filter or sugarcoat their words. The third are fathers and brothers. Men who have no sexual agenda, who love her enough to withstand her anger, and who are invested in her long-term well-being. These men can be lifelines. But even they can be shut out if she's too addicted to validation to hear uncomfortable truths. Over time, the problem grows into what I call a power-wisdom gap. Beauty gives her maximum influence over men, but because she never has to earn that influence through trial, error, and honest feedback, the wisdom to use it effectively never develops. Imagine handing someone the controls to a jet before they've ever learned to fly. They can make it take off, but they can't keep it in the air for long. Eventually, the lack of skill catches up, and the crash is inevitable. The tragedy is that beauty, the very thing that should help her find love and partnership, becomes the reason she struggles to keep them. Men will endure a lot for beauty, but not forever. When reality finally breaks through, when patience runs out, when the costs outweigh the benefits, the relationship ends. And each time it does, she's left more confused, more frustrated, and less able to see the real problem. She may even double down on the same failing strategies, convinced that the right man will make them work. This isn't a character flaw. It's a structural problem built into the way society responds to beauty. Men aren't evil for playing along, they're responding to a system that rewards lies and punishes truth. Beautiful women aren't shallow or stupid for believing those lies, they're victims of an environment that systematically hides reality from them. Both sides are caught in a trap where everyone loses. She loses the chance to grow in relationship intelligence, men compromise their authenticity, and genuine connection becomes rare. The only way out is to break the cycle. For women, that means seeking out the truth even when it hurts, valuing honesty over comfort, and creating space for people who will challenge them. For men, it means having the courage to prioritize her long-term well-being over short-term approval, even if it risks losing her attention. For society, it means recognizing that beauty creates unique challenges, and building support systems that help women keep both their self-awareness and their relationships intact. Beauty can open doors, but it can also blind you to the path you're walking. Looks may attract love, but only self-awareness can keep it. Truth may feel dangerous in the moment, but lies will always cost more in the long run. And the women who understand this early, who learn to love the truth as much as they love the validation, are the ones who get to keep not just their beauty but their happiness too.